When systems fail, the most important question isn't how to fix them, it's what actually happened. Welcome to Decoded by Innefu series. I am Manish, and today let's clear up a common misconception. Digital forensics isn't just for crime scenes. When most people hear the word forensics, they imagine police investigations, courtroom evidence, or high profile cybercrime cases. But digital forensics today goes far beyond law enforcement. Any organization that relies on technology, which is almost every organization, may one day need to understand exactly what happened inside its system. When a cybercrime incident occurs, it's not enough to simply fix the issue and move on. Leaders need answers. How did the attackers get in? What systems were affected? Was data accessed or exfiltrated? Is the threat completely removed? This is where digital forensics play a critical role. Enterprises use it to protect customer data and meet regulatory obligations. Government agencies rely on it to maintain operational integrity and national security. Critical infrastructure operators depend on it to ensure service continuity and public trust. Digital forensics is about preserving evidence, reconstructing events, and creating accountability. It ensures decisions are based on facts and not assumptions. And in modern environments, this process can't be manual. Organizations operate across hundreds or thousands of endpoints, remote offices, and interconnected systems. Evidence must be collected quickly, analyzed intelligently, and documented clearly without disrupting operations. That's why modern DFIR platforms like Rapid DFIR are built to automate and scale this process. From remote data collection and forensic artifact analysis to centralized case management and structured reporting, they enable organizations to conduct deep investigations without the delays of traditional on-site methods. Digital forensics today is not just about solving cybercrimes. It's about resilience, compliance, and operational confidence. Because in digital world, understanding what happened is just as important as stopping it.